Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when we make new videos and post them to YouTube. And go ahead and share this video as well so we can grow the Mabuhay Woodworks following on YouTube. And also go ahead and look at the links in the description below because you can find links to our Mabuhay Woodworks Facebook page, our TikTok, and our Instagram as well. So go ahead and hit those up with a like and subscribe as well. Today we're coming at you with an unboxing video for the Ryobi One Plus 6 tool combo kit. As you can see in the picture right here, it comes with 6 tools. It comes with a oscillating multi-tool, the impact driver, the drill driver, the reciprocating saw, the circular saw, and the flashlight. 2 batteries. One is a 4 amp hour, one is a 1.5 amp hour battery, and a battery charger. So you get a really great deal. And you know what, guys? I picked this up for under $200 from the local Home Depot. It helps when you have a veteran discount. And also, it was on sale on President's Day for $199 online, and I went to the store and had to go to customer service, and they went ahead and honored the price, but they did have it as, I believe, $299 in the store. But so just go ahead and look for it when it's on sale, guys. You guys can get a really great deal on the Ryobi One Plus tools. And yes, they're kind of a tier down as far as the quality when compared to other more contractor grade tools, but you're still getting a great deal, and these tools are going to last you a while. So here I'm going to go through my unboxing of the Ryobi One Plus 6 tool toolkit combo kit, and let's get into the video. Opening the zipper here on the Ryobi One Plus 6 tool combo kit. Got the charger. Like I said before, the charger works really well. It doesn't take long to charge up the batteries. I think it took maybe 30 minutes to charge the 1.5 amp hour battery, and probably an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge the 4 amp hour battery. So I think if you're rotating these batteries, using the 4 amp hour and then swapping out to the 1.5 amp hour and then sticking the 4 amp hour on the charger, you should be able to pretty much use these almost non-stop, as long as you have a power supply. And while this video is rolling, I hope you guys are enjoying the leg. That was not intentional. I'll try and show a little bit less leg in future videos. The battery comes, it's already charged to 1 bar, but obviously you need to charge it more before you're going to use it probably. Here we have the drill driver, or I'm sorry, the impact driver. The quality on these seems really good. They seem like they're pretty sturdy tools. They've got a rubberized grip on them. That's the drill driver. It's got an adjustable chuck and first and second gear. It has the hammer drill setting, and then the other settings for when you don't need to actually drill something, you're trying to screw it. Here we have the reciprocating saw. It's pretty hefty, I gotta say. Very well built, it seems like. I love the handles. Allows you to get a pretty good grip on everything. Next we have the instruction booklets for everything. 6 tools, so we gotta have them instruction booklets. I'm sure you guys are gonna spend several hours reading through these instruction booklets. Get rid of those things, just kidding. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's the circular saw blade, 5.5 inches in diameter. Honestly, I thought it would be a little bit larger, but it is what it is. Won't be cutting any large boards with this. So this is the circular saw. The battery attaches on the right hand side. Doesn't come with a guide, so I'm not really sure why it has guide holes on it. I guess you can use one from a different circular saw if you have one. There's the flashlight. I actually plugged it in to one of the batteries and used it a little bit later, and it's super bright. Here we have the reciprocating saw blade. Probably you guys can't see it too well, but it's pretty sharp. And then this other bag is for the oscillating multi-tool, which we're about to unbox here, out of view of the camera. That's always good when you're making a YouTube video. This is my first video, guys, sorry. There we go. The Ryobi One Plus oscillating multi-tool. I really like these. I've never had a battery operated one. I've had one with a cord. Actually, it was the Walmart, I think Hyper Tough. That one actually works pretty well, the Hyper Tough. And it's about 20 bucks. If y'all want just a really cheap tool that's gonna do the job and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, pick up that one. But here we have the battery powered one. There's the different sanding pads. It comes with an 80 grit and I believe a 100 or 120 grit sandpaper, and the oscillating multi-tool blade that you can attach. So that's it, guys. I think that's about it. Oh, just kidding. But we're gonna go ahead and cut the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Stay tuned, we've got a lot more coming. We've got a lot of great things in the works. Gonna be doing a lot of projects, and hopefully I can take you guys along on some of them and let you guys see exactly what is going on in each project. And I'll help show you guys the steps so you can try and repeat some of these projects yourself. All the stuff that I'm doing, it doesn't take a rocket scientist. I've learned a lot on YouTube and just through trial and error and just coming up with my own designs. And you can do it too. You can do it too. It's definitely something that, as long as you love doing stuff with your hands, being creative, you can find success on your own. So thanks for coming and enjoying the channel, and go ahead and make sure you throw a like on this video, share it to your friends and family, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is Jason signing off with Mabuhay Woodworks.